We wake up every day on time. We work hard. But at the end, our life does not change. Why? Because we are busy doing many things instead of finishing one important thing that could change our life. Have you ever thought, why do some people reach their goals and others keep dreaming their whole life? In today's story, we will see how multitasking can slow your success instead of putting it on the fast track. There was a young man named Jack. He lived in a small town. He was very ambitious and wanted to become successful. He was not lazy. He actually worked hard, but still, his life was stuck. There was no real growth. Jack liked to multitask. He started many things at the same time: reading, gym, online course, business idea, helping a friend. But when his motivation became low, he stopped most of them without finishing. So he was always starting, never finishing. Tired of this, Jack went to see a wise old man who lived on a mountain. Jack said, "I can't focus. I start many goals, but I don't complete them." The old man asked, "How many tasks do you focus on at one time?" Jack said, "I like to multitask. I do many things together." The old man said, "That is the problem. When you chase many things at the same time, you miss all of them." The old man told Jack to hold his hands like a bowl. Then the old man started to pour water into Jack's hands. Soon the water began to spill. "What do you see?" the old man asked. Jack said, "The water is falling out." The old man said, "Your hands can only hold a limited amount of water. If I pour too much, it will spill. Your mind is the same. If you put too many tasks inside, they will not stay. You will forget, you will feel tired, and you will quit." This is what multitasking does. Then the old man sat on a donkey and said, "Look, I can ride this donkey alone. It walks fine. But if you also sit on it, the donkey will move very slowly, or not move at all. Not because the donkey is lazy, but because we gave it more than it can carry. People do this to their own minds." Next, the old man took Jack near a small fire. He said, "If you cook one pot on this fire, it will cook fast. If you put 5 pots on this same small fire, none of them will cook well. Not because the fire is weak, but because the fire is divided. Your attention is that fire. If you divide it, it will slow down your progress." After that, the old man brought a cup of tea. When you put 1 spoon of sugar, tea becomes sweet. When you put 5 spoons, it does not become better. It becomes bad. Too much of even a good thing makes it useless. Information is like sugar. A little is good. Too much, and the mind refuses it. Then the old man took Jack to a dam. "Look at this water," he said. "When it flows as one strong body, it can make electricity. But if we send some water to the fields, and some water to the homes, and some water to the factory before making electricity, very little is left for power. But if we first use the full water to make electricity, and then send it to the farms and people, everyone benefits. One by one, not all at once." The old man said, "Your life should be like this. First, use your full power on one main task. When it's working, then move to the next. If you divide your power too early, nothing becomes strong." The old man then took Jack to meet a fisherman and asked him to share his story. The fisherman said, My dream was always to be a fisherman, but I also inherited crop fields from my father. I loved fishing, and I also loved farming, so I didn't want to leave any of them. I thought about it and made a simple plan. I decided that I would be both, a fisherman and a farmer. One day, I spend the whole day at the river fishing, no matter if it's raining or windy. The next day, I stay in the fields and take care of the crops. This way, I can do what I love, and I can also earn from both. The old man asked, "Can't you do both in the same day?" The fisherman replied, "I can, but then I won't be able to give 100% to either one. I will rush, I will miss small important tasks, and the quality of my work will go down. When I do only one task in one day, I stay focused and calm, and the work becomes better." The old man turned to Jack and said, "This is the lesson. Success is not just about working hard, it's about working with order. Divide your work, make a routine that matches your strength, and then follow it every day with dedication and consistency." Jack asked, "But how can I change fast?" The old man said, "I will give you 5 rules of discipline. Follow them. Rule 1, find your vision. Ask yourself, where do I want to see myself in 5 years? Rule 2, make a plan. Break that vision into small daily tasks. Rule 3, stay consistent. Every day comes with a new challenge. You must train yourself to fight with the daily challenges and finish the task anyway. Rule 4, avoid distractions. When you are working, many new ideas will come. Some people will offer you better things. If you keep changing directions, you will reach nowhere. You must learn to say, later, not now. Rule 5, stop sharing your plans with everyone. If you tell people too early, they may praise you for something you didn't do yet. That fake praise will make you feel you already won. Also, people may give unwanted advice and make you confused. Jack, inspired by the old man's wisdom, went home and quietly began to use these rules in his daily life. In just 1 month, he felt lighter and more focused. After 3 months, people around him started saying, "Jack, you've changed. You're doing better now." He was finishing what he started. He was calmer. 5 years later, Jack was a completely different person. He had achieved the goals he had written down years earlier. Then he understood the real lesson. If you want to get the best out of your mind and body, don't overload them. Plan your goals. Do them step by step. Finish one thing before starting the next. He learned that working smart is better than just working hard. In today's story, we learned English words and sentences you can use in daily life. Plus, we learned a lesson that focusing on one task is better than multitasking. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more new videos.